in the heart of a raging snowstorm, where survival itself is uncertain, one of nature's most powerful predators sees something fragile. A life, abandoned, and running out of time. The wind is merciless. The cold shows no mercy. But the eagle does not turn away. With wings built for dominance, it chooses protection. Yet even strength has limits. The knot is too tight, and time is slipping away. So the eagle does what true heroes do. It asks for help. In the coldest moments on Earth, compassion still finds a way to soar. Like, subscribe, share, because hope deserves to be seen.